boys and girls. Today we're going to be learning about times. Now the fancy word for times is multiplication or multiply. Now times means groups of, and I'm going to show you why you need to learn times. Where will it come up in your life and why do you need to know about this? So let's read these questions. Number 1, 4 boys each eat 2 sweets. How many sweets do they eat altogether? So the first thing we're going to say is we're talking about sweets. So we're going to say no for short for number of sweets. Now it's 4 boys each eat 2 sweets. So the first thing you can do is you can draw a picture and you've got your 1, 2, 3, 4 boys. And I'm just going to put a 2 inside here because they're each eating 2 sweets. Okay, so you've got your 4 boys each eat 2 sweets. That is the same as 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2. Let's count. 2, 4, 6, 8. So they eat 8 sweets altogether. Now, if you want to do a time sum, you are going to say there are 4 boys. So 4. And there are 4 groups. These are our little groups. And that times sign there means groups of. So it's 4 groups of, and they are each getting 2 sweets. So it's 4 groups of 2. We are going to count in 2s until we have 4 fingers to see what our answer is. Let's go. 2, 4, 6, 8. And your answer is 8 sweets. So remember, if you're stuck with times, you can always draw a picture. Let's look at number 2. 3 teachers each get 2 gold stars. How many gold stars do they have altogether? So we're talking about gold stars. So we're going to say number of gold stars. Now there are 3 teachers. Okay, so we've got 1, 2, 3. And they're each going to get 2 gold stars. So if you want, you can draw your little stars for them. Or you can say 2 plus 2 plus 2. Okay, so each teacher gets 2 gold stars. We can count 2, 4, 6. And then we're going to go do a times sum. So we're going to say there's 3 teachers. So there's 3 groups of. Times means groups of. 3 groups of 2. Now we're going to count in 2s until we have 3 fingers. Let's go. 2, 4, 6. So they get 6 gold stars altogether. Let's look at the last one. 5 girls each get 2 dolls. How many dolls do they have altogether? Okay, so remember we're talking about dolls. So we're going to say here, number of dolls. Now there's 5 girls. Okay, so we're going to have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 girls. And they're each getting 2 dolls. I'm just going to draw little circles here for the dolls. So you can count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Or you can go and do a little sum now. So you can say that is the same as 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2. And you can count 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Then you can go and do your time sum. So there are 5 girls. So it's 5 groups of, and because they're each getting 2 dolls, it's groups of 2. If they were each getting 5 dolls, it'd be groups of 5. If they were each getting 10 dolls, it would be groups of 10. So we're going to count in twos until we have 5 fingers. Let's go. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. They are getting 10 dolls all together.